Hi, all the Form 4 and Form 5 students. How are you over there? Today we will discuss Chapter 8, Measure of Dispersion, Comprehensive Practice. We will just focus on question number 8 and question number 9. This is because these two questions are very challenging, and the working are very long. So we just try our best to focus on these two questions. Maybe you can try first. You can try to attempt on your own, try to do, and if really cannot get the answer, you can follow my video teaching after this. Okay, enjoy doing maths and add maths. Good luck to you. Okay, dear student, first of all, let's read through the question carefully. Okay, the table below shows the values of n, summation of x and summation of x squared of a set of data. So the table was given, so n, sum of x and sum of x squared given. Okay, so for question A, calculate the variance. Okay, so this one I think we need to use a formula. Okay, for B, a number p is added to the set of data and it is found that the mean is increased by 0.5, and calculate the value of p and the standard deviation of new set of data. This one is a bit hot because you need to know how to apply. Okay, apply the formula. So please try first. Try your very best to do on your own. Okay, if you really cannot do, then only you refer to my video teaching after this. Okay, let's try now. Okay, let's see question number 9. Calculate the variance of the set of data p minus 4, p minus 2, p minus 1, p plus 4, p plus 9. So the question looks like very easy. It looks like very short. Variance, so you have to start with the formula. But because there are so many terms, so I think you need to do it carefully and patiently because it involves algebra. So you have to be very good in algebra. How to be good in algebra is you must practice a lot. Okay, keep on practice. It's okay you make mistake. Mistake is collection of experience. So when you make mistake, you learn something. So after you do correction, you learn from your mistake. So in future, you will be perfect scorer. Okay, so try your very best to do on your own. Don't copy from your friend. Don't copy the answer. Okay, trust yourself, you can do. Okay, so I think you pause the video, you do on your own first. Alright, okay, later you check your answer with my video teaching after this. Okay, good luck. Hi students, so have you tried the question? Okay, let's discuss. Table below shows the value of n, sum of the x and sum of the x squared. All the information given in the table. So first step, write the formula for variance. Okay, then we substitute the information from the table into the formula. So sum of x squared is 1452, n is 12 from the table, minus sum of x is 66 over 12 and then square. So variance is 90.75. Okay. Let's discuss question B. P is added and the new mean become increased by 0.5. Okay, mean is increased by 0.5. So we have to find the value of P. So first of all, we start with the formula new mean equal to new sum over n. Okay, so you have new mean, you must have new total or new sum. So its new mean is 66 over 12, the original mean plus 0.5. Okay, original mean is 66 over 12 just now. So because increased by 0.5, so you have to put 66 over 12 plus 0.5. And the total now become 66 plus p. Okay, total now becomes 66 plus p. Why? Because originally total is 66. What? After you add the p, example you add 10. So 66 plus 10 becomes 76. But you add a number that you don't know. So you 66 plus you don't know, which is p. 66 plus p, okay? Over total number, just now you have 12 number, so plus 1, 13 number. So you solve, you will get answer p equal to 12. Okay, solve, you cross multiply, you solve it carefully. Okay, now we see question number 2. We want to find the standard deviation after the p added. So the new standard deviation now after p added, you must find the new sum of data square. Originally we have 1452, right? The sum of data square. But after you added p, you have to add the value of the p, which is 12 square. So the total number now become 12 plus 1, which is 13. Okay, so that means the sum of data square also change. Then the new mean, just now we have the mean, which is 6 over 12 plus 0.5. So the new mean is actually 6. Okay, so we have to apply into the formula and then you solve it. Your new standard deviation is 9.315. Okay, that is the right answer for new standard deviation. So that means you have to find the new sum of data square. Okay, the sum of data square affected after you add the p, and then the number also affected. Okay, let's discuss question number 9. This question looks easy, but when you do, it's not easy. So we want to find the variance for the number given. So we start with the variance formula. Okay, sum of data square over n minus sum of data over n and then square. So first of all, we have to take each of the data given and then we have to square it one by one and plus. Okay, so we are going to write down carefully, systematically, so that you won't be confused. Okay, so you write in order. So we take the first one, which is p minus 4. We square first. Okay, square first and we plus. The second one is p minus 2. Okay, you also have to square it first. Plus p minus 1. Square. Do steady and carefully. And then plus p square. Okay, followed by plus p plus 4 square. Okay, you do it carefully so you can get the answer. Plus p plus 9 square. Okay, so you must take the number square plus square plus. Over how many number you count? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 number. Over 6. Okay, minus. We have to sum up. Okay, we have to sum up the data. We have 6 data. So you are going to add one by one carefully. So sum of the data is p minus 4, the first one, right? Okay, plus p minus 2, plus p minus 1, plus p plus 4, plus p plus 9. Everything you sum up first, then divide by 6. And then put bracket and square the mean. Okay, and then we need to expand now. Expand carefully. So p minus 8, p square minus 8p plus 16 for the first one. Okay, the first one square, p square, 2 times negative 4 is negative 8p. Okay, then the last term with perfect square plus 16. Okay, or you want to use a long way to do also can. But normally we use a shortcut. We take the first term with square, then we multiply. Remember? Okay. Okay, then now you see p square. The first term is p, like p square. Okay. And then 2 times negative 2 is negative 4, p. Then negative 4 squared is 4. Okay, that's how you do expansion. Okay, so do it carefully, double check. If you are having minus there, so your middle term will be minus. Okay, plus, and you'll notice that the last term, the third term is always positive. So p square, okay, we take the p, we square. Okay, then 2 times negative 1 is negative 2. Then we put p, and then plus negative 1 square plus 1. Okay, plus p square. This one is simple, just copy. Okay, followed by, we will take p square. Okay, then plus, okay, 2 times 4 is 8, 8p. Then plus 4 square, remember? 4 square is 16. Okay, so if positive, we will have positive at the middle. Okay, then p square. Okay, we take the first term p square. Then 2 times 9 is 18, right? So become 18p. Okay, p square plus 18p. And 9 square is 81. Okay, the first term you perfect square. The middle term you take the 2 times the number. Okay, and the last term you take the last term perfect square. Okay, so over 6. This is the sum of all the data. So you need to simplify first. Okay. Okay, you need to simplify first. And then over summation of data over 6 square. So now we need to simplify total how many p. So we take the p, we simplify. You got how many p? Okay, 1, 2, 3. Okay, you add all the p, so you got 6p. Then the number, simplify the number. So you take all the number, you simplify. 4, 9. Okay, then negative 4, negative 2, negative 2 plus 4 plus 9. So your final answer after you simplify is positive 6. Right, so you got 6p plus 6 over 6. So, okay. So, and then you have to simplify your p square. How many p square you have? So, you have to sum up all the p square. So, then you plus all the p square, and then plus all the p, and then plus all the number. Okay? So, you will get your answer in simplest form. So, total you will get how many p, and how many p square, and how many number. So you need to do it carefully. So after expansion, we will simplify the p square and the p and the number. Okay, so we have 6p square plus 12p plus 118 over 6, and the mean we need to make the denominator the same. So we times the 6 for the numerator. So becomes 6p square plus 12p plus 6. Okay, once the denominator the same, we can join them and simplify. So now variance become 6p square minus 6p square. So the 6p square cancel out, no more. And the 12p also cancel out. Okay, plus and minus cancel out already. So now, so where looks very simpler is 118 or minus 6. Okay, 118 minus 6 is 112. So it's just a simplest answer is 112 over 6. After you simplify to the simplest form is 56 over 3. So the final answer is 56 over 3.